If you're seeing Gmail error code 6446, don't worry. In most cases, this is caused by a temporary sync issue, a browser session problem, or corrupted cache, and it's usually something you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest step-by-step method to get Gmail working again, and if this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's start with the first thing you should always check. Gmail service status. Sometimes the issue is not on your device at all. Open your browser and go to the Google Apps status dashboard. This page shows whether Gmail is having a broader outage or service disruption. If Gmail is down, the best fix is simply to wait until Google restores service. But if everything looks normal there, then the problem is most likely on your side. So let's move to the next step. Now, refresh Gmail directly. Open Gmail in your browser and go to your inbox. Sometimes error 6446 appears because the session needs to be reloaded. A simple refresh can reconnect Gmail and clear out a temporary loading issue. If the page still does not behave correctly, don't keep refreshing forever. Instead, move on to clearing the browser cache, which is one of the most effective fixes for this error. To clear the cache in your browser, click the three dots in the top corner. Then go to Delete Browsing Data. In the options that appear, make sure you select Cached Images and Files. You do not always need to delete everything, especially if you want to keep your saved logins and browsing history. After selecting the cache option, click Clear. Once that process finishes, close the browser completely and reopen Gmail again. This step often resolves Gmail error code 6446 because it removes old or corrupted files that may be interfering with the page. If Gmail is still giving you trouble, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers, can interfere with Gmail's loading and cause strange errors like this one. To disable them, click the three dots again, go to Extensions, and open Manage Extensions. From there, turn off any ad blockers or suspicious extensions one by one. After disabling them, go back to Gmail and test it again. If Gmail starts working, then one of those extensions was the cause. You can then re-enable them later one at a time to figure out exactly which one was creating the conflict. At this point, if Gmail is still not loading properly, you may also want to try signing out and signing back in, or opening Gmail in an incognito window to test whether the issue is tied to your current browser session. But in most cases, checking Gmail status, refreshing the page, clearing cache data, and disabling interfering extensions will solve error code 6446. So to recap, the fastest fix is first check the Google service status page, then refresh Gmail, then clear your browser cache, and finally disable browser extensions like ad blockers. These steps solve most Gmail sync and session errors without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you fix Gmail error code 6446, please hit like and subscribe because I post more simple step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.